हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद कर रहा हूँ बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते ही हैं, हर साल कितने सारे लोग हार्ट डिजीज़ से सफ़र करते हैं और उनको आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है या फिर एक हार्ट डोनर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है ना। पर हमारे पास डोनर्स इतने सारे अवेलेबल नहीं हैं, तो एक ही विकल्प बचता है कि आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट उनको उपलब्ध करवाया जाए। पर क्या आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट परमानेंट है? ठीक है, पर अभी तक आप देखोगे आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट टेम्परेरी है। तो आज मैं जो है आपसे इस आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट के बारे में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। तो आप मेरे साथ इस वीडियो में एंड तक बने रहिए और जानते हैं आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट के बारे में। राइट, ओके। वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू मस्ट नो अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल हार्ट. The first ever artificial heart was made by the Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikov in 1937. It was implanted in a dog, yes, in a dog, right? But the first artificial heart to be successfully implanted in a human was the Jervik 7. Remember, Jervik 7 in 1982, designed by a team including Willem Zonkolf and Robert Jervik. Okay. Third most important point, there have been 13 artificial heart designs used in patients, but only one has received commercial approval from the FDA. The Syncardia temporary total artificial heart is the only one to receive commercial approval in the US, Canada and Europe. Remember, the Syncardia total artificial heart, right? Next, total artificial heart is pulsatile and has 2 ventricles and 4 valves, just like the human heart. The total artificial heart is readily available when needed. No wait list, not restricted by blood type or antibody level, no matching required, and it is biocompatible with the body. No anti-rejection medications needed. So you can find out how important, how useful it is, right? The Syncardia total artificial heart is made of a special plastic called segmented polyurethane solution. Remember, segmented polyurethane solution, SPUS, segmented polyurethane solution, right? Okay, it has a high degree of fatigue resistance, strength and biocompatibility, which makes it an ideal material to be used for artificial heart. Okay. Next point, the Syncardia total artificial heart is pumped and monitored by an external machine called a driver. Remember this thing, it is pumped and monitored by an external machine called driver, which produces pulses of air and vacuum that help pump blood in and out of the ventricles, right? The total artificial heart is manufactured in 2 different sizes so that it can be compatible with more number of people, right? 70cc and 50cc. These are the 2 different sizes available. Okay, the 70cc total artificial heart fits a majority of men and some women, and it can generate blood flow of up to 9.5 liter per minute. Remember, generate blood flow of up to 9.5 liter per minute, and our normal heart average blood pump is 5 liter of blood per minute. Remember, 5 liter of blood per minute. Okay, so 70cc is generating blood flow of up to 9.5 liter, and the smaller one, 50cc total artificial heart, is designed to fit a majority of women and some adolescents, and it can generate blood flow of up to 7.5 liter per minute, right? 7.5 liter per minute depending on the patient's need, right? So you can compare it with the normal heart, which can pump 5 liter of blood per minute, right? These are the some of the points I want to discuss with you that are regarding artificial heart. I hope you like this video, and if you want any other topic I should cover, so write in the comment box and I will be with you next time with that topic. Thank you all and have a nice day.